24V relay. (4007) diode. Diode negative side connecting with relay pin 3. Diode positive side connecting with relay pin 1. Button. Button 1 side connecting with relay pin 3 and second side connecting with relay pin 2. (5mm LED). LED both negative side connecting with each other. Red LED positive side connecting with relay pin 4. Green LED positive side connecting with relay pin 5 and pin 3. (1K) resistance. Resistance 1 side connecting with LED negative side and resistance other side connecting with relay pin 1. (24V bulb). Bulb negative wire connecting with relay pin 1. Bulb positive wire connecting with green LED positive side. Connecting wire S. (24V supply). When short circuit occur, current connection is break. Then press the reset button and see current supply is continue.